all the while having a passion for service to others.
Having received approval from the Texas Southern University Board of Regents, I hereby present to you His Excellency Jacob Zuma, President of the Republic of South Africa, as a candidate for an honorary doctorate of humane letters degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Board of Regents of Texas Southern University, I confer upon His Excellency President Jacob Zuma the doctoral degree in humane letters for which he is qualified with all the rights, honors, privileges, and responsibilities thereunto appertaining. Congratulations to our newest graduate of Texas Southern University.
A great privilege to receive this honor from such an esteemed institution of higher learning as Texas Southern University. This is an honor in the United States. As an inductee of Texas Southern's Roll of Honor, I am also quite humbled at the university's support and decision to launch the Jacob Zuma RDP Education Trust on this campus. It is a special occasion for me to launch this partnership today, given my passion for education. This passion makes me to strive tirelessly towards ensuring that every child who wants to learn obtains the opportunity to do so. My passion for education arose in part from my inability to get the education I desired. My father died when I was still very young, and I was raised by my mother, who earned too little as a domestic worker to be able to take me to school. This was symptomatic of the South Africa of that time, where education was a privilege and not a right for black children. Even those who went to school obtained an inferior education compared to their compatriots of other races. That it is the evil system whose legacy we are still working to retain an education. That is why I established the Jacob Zuma RDP Education Trust Fund. The trust, which are so graciously launching today on this campus, is a contribution to that campaign of widening access to education. Through the fund, I opted to focus my attention on providing access to education for the most disadvantaged and vulnerable children and youth in society. One of the key objectives of the fund is to increase access to educational opportunities for disadvantaged children, particularly in rural areas. Therefore, the partnership with this university fits in perfectly with our pursuit of quality education for all South African children, regardless
Thank you, sir.
Come on.